72 hours, 3 entire days. 0 calories, no breakfast. No lunch, no dinner, just water and air. To the average person, this sounds dangerous. It sounds like starvation, it sounds like suffering. But what if I told you that inside your body something completely different is happening? What if the moment you put down the fork, a hidden biological program wakes up? For millions of years, our ancestors didn't have refrigerators. They didn't have convenience stores. They went days without food. And because of that, your body isn't just capable of surviving hunger, it was designed to thrive in it. When you stop eating for 72 hours, you aren't just losing weight. You are flipping a genetic switch, you're triggering a mechanism that repairs your DNA. You are replacing an old immune system with a new one, and you are forcing your brain to run on a fuel source that is cleaner and more powerful than sugar. Most people will never experience this, they are stuck in a cycle of constant eating. But today, we are going to break that cycle. We are going inside the human body to track the changes hour by hour. From the first pang of hunger to the deep state of cellular rejuvenation. Buckle up, we are about to turn off the food and turn on the survivor engine. But before we dive into the microscopic world, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Join us as we explore the limits of human biology. Let's start the clock. 0 hours, you've just finished your last meal. Maybe it was a steak, maybe a salad, maybe a slice of pizza. Your body is in the fed state, your stomach is working hard. Your pancreas is pumping out insulin, the hormone that acts like a key opening your cells to let energy in. Life is good, energy is cheap. But fast forward 8 hours, digestion is finished. The nutrients from that last meal are absorbed. Your insulin levels start to crash. This is the first signal. A quiet alarm bell ringing in your blood. Your body realizes the shipment of fresh energy has stopped, but it doesn't panic yet. It is a backup plan. It turns to the liver. Your liver is like a biochemical pantry. It holds a stored form of sugar called glycogen. Think of this as the cash you keep in your wallet. It's easy to access. Your body starts burning through this cash to keep the lights on. During this 12-hour window, you feel normal, maybe a little peckish. But deep down, the machinery is preparing for a shift. Your metabolism is about to change from a sugar-burning car to a hybrid electric vehicle, and the transition, it can be bumpy. We cross the 12-hour mark. Now, things get interesting. Your glycogen stores, that cash in your wallet, are running low. This is where most people quit. Why? Because of a hormone called ghrelin. We call him the hunger gremlin. Ghrelin levels spike, your stomach growls. You might feel a headache creeping in. You feel irritable, you are hangry. Your brain is shouting at you. It screams, eat, survival is at risk. But this is a lie. You aren't starving, you are just addicted to easy energy. Your body is throwing a tantrum because it has to work harder for fuel. It has to switch from burning sugar to burning fat. And just like starting a cold engine, it takes a moment to warm up. If you can push through this phase, if you can ignore the growling stomach and the mental fog, you will break through the wall. The hardest part is actually the beginning. Quick question. What is the longest you have ever gone without food? Was it by choice, or did you just forget to eat? Let me know in the comments below. I read them all. Welcome to our 18. The glycogen is gone. The pantry is empty. Your body now has two choices. 1. Break down your own muscle for protein. Or 2. Unlock the massive energy reserve you carry around every day. Body fat. Evolution is smart. It chooses fat. This is a process called lipolysis. Your fat cells begin to break open. They release fatty acids into the bloodstream. These travel to the liver where a magical alchemy happens. The liver converts fat into ketones. Ketones are not just fuel, they are superfuel. Glucose is like coal, it burns dirty and fast. Ketones are like solar power, clean, efficient, and long-lasting. By the 24-hour mark, your brain starts to wake up. The fog lifts, the hunger pangs actually decrease. You have entered the state of ketosis. You are no longer running on what you ate today. You are running on the energy you stored years ago, and here is the best part. While you are busy burning fat, your body starts a construction project. This is where the real healing begins. Day 2. You haven't eaten in over 24 hours. You might think your body is shutting down. Wrong. It is cleaning up. This is the phase of autophagy. The word literally means self-eating. Don't worry, your body isn't eating your organs. It is eating the junk. Over time, your cells accumulate damage. Broken proteins, old mitochondria, bits of viruses, defective parts. Usually, your cells are too busy processing food to clean this mess up. But now, the kitchen is closed, the staff is free to clean the floors. Your cells hunt down these damaged components. They recycle them, they turn trash into treasure. This is crucial. Why? Because accumulation of cellular junk is linked to aging, Alzheimer's, and cancer. By fasting, you're giving your body the time it needs to take out the trash. This mechanism won the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2016. It is that important. You aren't just losing weight here, you are actively fighting the aging process. Also, something amazing happens to your hormones. Usually, when you don't eat, you'd expect to lose muscle, but your body is smarter than that. Around the 48-hour mark, your human growth hormone HGH skyrockets. Some studies show it can increase by 300% to 500%. Why? To protect your muscles. In the wild, if you hadn't eaten for 2 days, you needed to be strong to hunt. You couldn't be weak, so your body preserves your muscle tissue while melting away your fat. It is the ultimate muscle-sparing hack. If you are enjoying this deep dive into your own biology, please give this video a like. It helps the algorithm share this science with more people. We have reached the 48-hour mark to full days. By now, you are in deep ketosis. Many people report a strange sensation here. They expect to be exhausted. Instead, they feel a buzz. A calm, laser-like focus. This is the hunter's mind. Your ancestors needed to be their sharpest when food was scarce. Your brain is now running almost entirely on ketones. Specifically, a ketone called beta-hydroxybutyrate. This molecule does more than provide energy. It lowers inflammation in the brain. It triggers the release of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of BDNF as fertilizer for your neurons. It helps you learn faster. It improves memory. It protects against neurodegeneration. While the world thinks you are starving, your brain is actually upgrading its software. But the biggest miracle happens as we approach our 72, the immune reset. Professor Walter Longo from the University of Southern California found something incredible. Prolonged fasting forces the body to break down old, inefficient white blood cells. It kills off the weak soldiers in your immune army. But wait, doesn't that leave you vulnerable? No, because the moment you start eating again, your body releases stem cells. These stem cells build a brand new immune system, literally. If you have autoimmune issues or chronic inflammation, this 72-hour window is where the magic happens. You are hitting the factory reset button on your body's defense system. We are in the final stretch, our 70. This is often the hardest mental barrier. Physically, you are fine, you have plenty of fat fuel. But psychologically, you miss the ritual of chewing. You miss the taste, boredom sets in. However, your insulin is now at its lowest point. Your insulin sensitivity is at its highest. This is fantastic news for metabolic health. If you are pre-diabetic or struggle with blood sugar, this deep rest allows your pancreas to recover. Your gut lining is also healing. Without the constant work of digestion, the cells of your intestines repair the tight junctions, sealing up any leaky gut issues. The microbiome, the bacteria in your stomach, is reorganizing. The bad bacteria that love sugar are starving, while the good bacteria are resilient. You have turned your body into a fortress. The clock hits 72 hours. You did it, but wait, put down the pizza. This is the most dangerous moment of the fast, reintroducing food. Your digestive system has been asleep for 3 days. If you hit it with a heavy meal, carbs, sugar, fried food, you will get sick. It's called refeeding syndrome in extreme cases, but even in mild cases, it causes stomach pain and bloating. You need to wake up your gut gently. Imagine waking up a sleeping baby. You don't scream, you whisper. Start with bone broth. Maybe some fermented vegetables, wait an hour. Then have some light fats, avocado, or a few eggs. Keep the carbs low. Continue to ride that wave of insulin sensitivity. The food will taste better than anything you have ever eaten. Your taste buds have been reset. A simple cucumber will taste sweet. An almond will explode with flavor. You have a new appreciation for the fuel that keeps you alive. So, is fasting for 72 hours worth it? It is not easy. It requires discipline. And it is not for everyone. If you are pregnant, have an eating disorder, or medical conditions, consult your doctor first. But for those who take the journey, the reward is more than just weight loss. It is the realization that you are in control. You are not a slave to your hunger. Your body is a self-repairing, self-optimizing survival machine. Sometimes the best medicine is simply nothing. By taking a break from the modern world of endless consumption, you reconnect with your ancient biology. If 72 hours sounds too intense, don't worry. You can get massive benefits from shorter fasts too. In fact, the changes start much earlier than you think. You need to see what happens in just one day. Click on this video right here. What happens to your body when you fast for 24 hours? It's the perfect place to start your journey. Thanks for watching. Feed your mind, fast your body, and I'll see you in the next one.